nice, tell the promoter bring the peas. Still ain't safe, I'm in the party with my G's. And I just made your girl, my girl, she's on her knees.
On her knees, she see the D, she see the freeze, rolling trees from overseas. Smoke for free, nigga please, allow me. Big J-Lo VIP is looking cloudy. This Cali got me feeling drowsy. Never stressing, cut them killers, they be round me. Especially me where you found me, cause we ain't with the disrespect, no. Fuck your vest, we'll be aiming at your neck. You know the vibe, yeah, the level set, yeah. Might not your step, best step correct. I got your girl addicted to the sex. On her knees, she see the D, she see the freeze, rolling trees from overseas. Smoke for free, nigga please.
I'm an asthmatic, weed fanatic. When I get high, I leave the planet. Tryna kick the habit, but every day it's on my mind. She said that I smoke too much, but see I work hard and pay for mine. Definite I hustle blood, definitely I grind. Since of you, man I always had something shotting out the boot. Since of you, I've been a target, I cannot go around the truth. Niggas hate, soon as they see me, they don't know what the fuck to do. Watching me, I'm not watching you. I was just blazing on my suit, it's big smoke. How can she tell me that I'm cute? I'm so high, I'm so fly, I'm gonna need a parachute. River's dad, super swag, I'm gonna need a camera crew. I'm gonna need some palm wine, I'm gonna need some pepper soup. And if I ain't the headline, then I must be the special guest. I pull up and steal the show, and I weren't even trying to flex. Had to touch the after party, she just sent me the address. Said that she wanted me to come, and I told her say it with your chest.
I got your girl addicted to the sex. On her knees, she see the D,